Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by putting the image where you want it. Insert the picture or drag it onto the slide, then click the image so picture format appears. Once the picture format tab is visible, choose Remove Background immediately. PowerPoint will auto-detect the background and show a magenta mask. This is the first actionable step. Don't adjust slide layout first. Make sure the image is selected and roughly positioned because the auto selection depends on visible edges and contrast. Now refine the mask. Use mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove to tell PowerPoint what should stay or go. Click and draw short lines on problem spots. Once done, zoom in and use the selection handles to include fingers, hair, or object edges. Because the auto mask is imperfect, methodically work around the subject. Small strokes are better than long ones. Make sure to toggle between keep and remove until the preview looks clean. Then step back and inspect at 100%. Finish by clicking Keep Changes. The background becomes transparent. If you need the cutout as an object, right-click and save as picture or convert the image to a shape for vector-like edits. If something goes wrong, use the selection pane to isolate layers, undo, and reopen Remove Background. A common recovery is to reinsert a higher contrast version or crop tightly before repeating. This improves auto detection. Remember to save a copy before heavy edits so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.